Hi, this is Sai Teja.
Back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss what is GitHub Copilot, what are the uses of GitHub Copilot. It is majorly helpful for the developers who are writing their codes to make them easier. So without further delay, let's jump into the discussion. So first, go to Google search and type GitHub Copilot. So in the GitHub Copilot, you will get the top link over here, right? So once you click on it, you will directly jump into this page. Once you get this page, so you can see a technical preview setting, but so how it actually works, it is just the compromise of it, right? It is an AI pair programmer which suggests for whole lines or entire functions right inside your editor. Once you are writing the code, it automatically tells the suggestions, so how you can access the codes, right? So you can check out here a small demo. So in the Python file, so you are just commenting over the lines over here. So what are the parts, the list of expenses written in the triples. So it might be date, value, and currencies. So just you can get the code, right? Just a AI based code which you are getting out here. So expenses over here and the per line and everything. If conditions, date, values, and currencies. So you just written expenses, right? Once you get over this, so what is the use? Once you write in the code, it automatically checks what is the written the code. If you're not satisfied with this code, so how you can change the code, right? So you have a question, right? Example for this. So one second. Yeah. So you can see if there's some alternatives for any code, some may have some logic, some may have another logic over here, right? So if you want to change your logic, so how can you change? So if you click on alt plus a bracket over symbol here, you will change the over the logic. You can see, right? So define some max some slice. The if length x is greater than equal to 0, you will get the return function. And the max sum equal to 0 and returning function with the for loop and return sum. So if you want even change it, next change. So if you want to accept it, just click on the tab function. When you click on the tab, you will get the whole code, right? I will show you a small demo, the VS Code, so that you can understand how you can add the extension and also how you can access it. So go to the VS Code. Go to VS Code, and if you see the VS Code, you can see over here, right? In the left side, you can see the extensions part. So in the search part, go click on type GitHub Copilot. Once you click on GitHub Copilot, you will see over here GitHub Copilot, the first search. So you will get automatically this. I already installed it. So if you haven't installed it, so click on the install button if you get it. Once you get on it, you will get the symbol. So you can see disable and uninstall, right? So don't click on this, because if you click on this, it will automatically uninstall. So don't click on this, okay? Hey, sorry, this is funny, right? Okay, right. So I will show you a demo for you. So I will also click it. So go to the files, the language. I will type a Java. So I will go with some Java question today. Sorry, one second. Yeah, some of the digits of a number. So first, what we need to do is, so if you see this question, so the thing comes to your mind is first you need to import a package. So it automatically install it, imports, and then I will give a class name. So without giving you class name, you will get out see the class sum of digits in the public static void main, right? So click on the tab. So once you click on the tab, you will get into a highlighted colors. And then I need to again, so once, and then string dot s, right? String, sorry, one second. Yeah, string, sorry, spelling mistake. Ah, yes, right. So what I need to do next step? So I need to import a scanner class, right? So scanner itself, we get it now. So you will get a wrong, right? So what you need to do is alt with open brackets. But if you are not able to get this, so sorry, scanner sc is equal to, you automatically again gets it. So new scanner, and then I need to declare a int statement over here, right? So I need to call how many number you need to go into, write down your height int, and then I need to declare a sum equal to 0. So you get right. So while function, so the statement over here is, so sum equal to sum plus n modulo 10, and then n you need to n equal n by 10. So you need to continue the loop up to n greater than 0. Iterate the loop up until the I value is greater than 0. And the next statement over here is, you need to print the statement, right? System dot out dot println. So what you need to print over here is the value of sum, right? So it automatically gets the sum. So close brackets. So this is the logic, right? So you can see how many lines we have decreased, right? So how many lines of code we haven't tried. It automatically types because it is just an AI function. Even sometimes you will directly get the whole code even itself without writing over it. Sometimes you will get the whole code, some questions. So this basic on the AI logic. If you want to, if you don't want to get the logic over here, okay, you can disable it. So sometimes some errors might come. You just ignore it and you can go with the code. Some pros and cons are there for any softwares, right? This is the one major update which you can use as your functions. I hope you learned something valuable. Please like so that Google algorithms will know it. And also, please share and subscribe to my channel for more such tech updates. Until then, keep practicing some logics and VS Code with GitHub Copilot. This is Sai Pontaya signing off. Bye bye.